Spoke to the nursery. No one saw him. His PA said he was in and out of the office in about 3 minutes.
Because he had the kid in the car?
Looks like it. Can't be doing with this, the amount of paperwork I've got. You know what'll happen. We'll spend the day running around in circles and then come 6 o'clock he'll roll on in, being at the zoo.
I wonder if she might be right to be worried.
Because?
It's a feeling.
Right, well that's some really forensic analysis there, Scooby-Doo.
I'm going to see if I can get a bit more out of her.
Well, she can drink her tea and then we're sending her home. Nikesh?
Miss Phelps, would like to build a clearer picture of your husband's state of mind in order to establish whether there is any cause for concern here.
Right.
You said that last night Jamie sent some emails. Do you know who they might have been to?
No. I mean, I presume work contacts.
Does he have a separate computer for work?
No, he has a laptop which he syncs with his office email. He uses it for everything.
And do you know the whereabouts of the laptop?
No, with Jamie, presumably.
Did Jamie take any calls or send any emails this morning?
No, actually, okay, yes. His phone did ping a couple of times. Emails. He looked at it quickly, but we were all having breakfast, so... You know, he didn't... Look, it's from my friend Miriam.
Who do you know out that way? Any family, friends or clients?
Loads of people, I guess, but... Why would he...
Lucy, you were about to say something about Jamie this morning. What didn't he do?
He didn't... It's silly, but he didn't kiss my hand this morning. He does this thing where he kisses my hand in the morning before he goes to work. Pip does it too. It's just that...
But he didn't do it this morning.
No, he didn't.
Miss Phelps, what were Jamie and Pip wearing this morning?
Jamie was wearing a suit. A black suit with an open collar. And Pip was wearing a green cord dungarees with a yellow long sleeve t-shirt and a navy hooded jacket on. He'd have had Mr. Pom-Pom, his toy elephant. Sorry, I'll put this on silent.